Getting an unable to check for update error on your Apple Watch. This usually happens due to poor internet connection, server issues, or problems with your paired iPhone. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the unable to check for update error on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Your Apple Watch and iPhone need to be connected to a stable and same Wi-Fi network. Solution 1. Check storage. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General. Check available space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Here, tap Storage. Now tap Watch OS. Tap Delete. Solution 3. Force restart Apple Watch. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. After restarting, try to update your Apple Watch again. And this is how you can solve the unable to check for update error on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye for now.